This 8-piece outdoor patio furniture set has so many unique features and really is different than most of the outdoor patio furniture sets that I've ever had before. So when this brand reached out and asked me to test one out, I jumped at the chance. Overall, the design is super modern and stylish. I love how it looks outside in my backyard. It really complements my backyard patio here. Included, you get 8 pieces in total. There are multiple seating sections. We have 2 coffee tables, and I really love the cushions. I also love the modular design. These pieces can be rearranged or customized based on whatever is going on in your space. The assembly was pretty easy. I would say the most difficult thing was just putting on the legs because that's really all you need to do in order to set up the pieces for this couch. The instructions were really clear, and the couch arrived very well packaged. Every piece was protected and wrapped individually, which ensured that it showed up at my house in great condition. This couch is really quality. It's also durable, but one of my favorite features is that it has 6-inch thick cushions. They are slightly firm but mostly plush, which makes them really comfortable to sit and lounge on. Plus, every single cushion has covers that are removable so that I can wash them whenever needed. Another really great feature is the modular design of this couch because it can be rearranged to create just about any setup you need. It can be in an L shape, a U shape, or you can separate the pieces out. Makes it really nice for when I'm just lounging on my own or if I'm hosting people. It's a really great option whether you have a family or just a few people living in your house. I love the modern stylish design and just how much it complements my outdoor space. I would highly recommend this 8-piece outdoor patio furniture set. You can also get the 4-piece option if you're looking for something smaller or just have a smaller space. It's comfortable, it's easy to assemble, it's versatile. You can move it around into any arrangement to fit any gathering or purpose for use. Highly recommend.